am from Natal, Brazil. Last year I was living a very bad personal situation.
We were advertising for Let's Start Talking here in Natal, and I get many phone calls for about a month ahead of time every day.
One day I was reading an online newspaper and saw about free English conversation with Americans. When I called, Chris answered me and she said it was a Christian church.
And I think about a week later we had our information meeting, and I explained to her that it was a program where she was going to have one-on-one English practice sessions speaking English. As I was explaining how it worked, she said, "Can I just stop you for a second? I need to say something." And she said, "I need you to know that I was a Christian many years ago, but I have since fallen away, and I have been dabbling in a lot of different religions. I have been dabbling in Spiritism. I have spent some time in Wicca. I have been doing a lot of things for many years, and I'm beginning to see the bad effect that they're having on my life."
I was without hope. I have no hope, and I thought God didn't want me anymore.
She had decided that there was nothing that could happen for God to give her a second chance.
I was thinking about suicidal. I was praying and asking the Lord for a chance.
I looked at her and I said, "Well, did you know that you're going to be reading the Bible in these conversational English sessions?"
When she said that, I realized that was the chance I was looking for. I went to the church. I read the gospel with 3 very special American women.
And I asked her, "Are you ready to be baptized?" And she told me, "Well, I want to be baptized, but baptism is like marriage, and I think I need to date a little more." And I said, "Okay."
After 6 weeks, I was baptized at Friends Camp. Now I am here 1 year after that to celebrate.
She brings so much joy, so much creativity to our church. And she actually ran the kitchen at our Friends Camp. And so she went from 1 year being baptized at Friends Camp to the next year being a very important part of our camp staff.
And I want to thank LSC. This is a project that was born in God's heart because it really has made a difference in my life, and now I can say I'm very happy because I truly know Jesus, and I want to thank you. Thank you so much.
She's had a lot of challenges. We have been happy as a church to be able to help her, to carry her through those challenges in her new life with Christ.